Hi, I'm John Schmidt, Service Director. You should trust your vehicle here with Friendly Kia because we're Kia experts. And that's not just a cliche. We work on Kias every day, all day. Kia trained technicians, original equipment parts, and they know how to do it right. We've got an excellent variety of amenities. We've got complimentary Wi-Fi, we've got computer workstations, cell phone charging stations, cappuccinos, snacks, coffee, updated newspapers and magazines, everything to keep you occupied during your wait. We do offer a number of transportation alternatives, one being loaner cars that we've got on fleet with brand new Kias. We can also get you a courtesy ride home. Quite frankly, we're friendlier than everybody else, and we strive for complete customer satisfaction. I think you'll always feel welcome at Friendly Kia like a member of the family. That's what we really strive to do. Family owned and operated since 1998, and we try to make everybody feel like they're at home.